Okay, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about vacuum distillation emission sources. So, top crude withdrawn from the bottom of the atmosphere distillation column is composed of high boiling point of hydrocarbons. So, the vacuum distillation emission, so it's a high boiling point for hydrocarbons. It distill sorry pressure, the crude oil decomposes and polymerizes and will fall equipment. To separate top crude into components, it must be distilled in a vacuum column at a very low pressure and in a steam atmosphere. The major source of atmospheric emission from the vacuum distillation column are associated with steam ejector or vacuum pumps. The major portion of the vapors withdrawn from the column by the ejectors or pumps is recovered in condenser. Historically, the non-condensable portion of the vapor has been vented to atmosphere from the condenser. There are approximately 0.14 kg of non-condensable hydrocarbons per meter cube of top of a crude processed in a vacuum distillation column. So let's see how a vacuum distillation column is. Okay, so we have to be we should know about this, right? Okay. So this is the image of vacuum distillation column, and from the top feed some portion is being left out to the atmosphere, and the upper one is very distilled portion of some air means some vapor of some liquid, mainly petrol, kerosene. This is so like, and bottom part is crude oil, if we are talking about, right, if we are talking about this petroleum products. This is quite like it. So I think you have understood like how it works, how it is, so let's learn more about it. A second source of emission. The second source of emission of atmospheric emission from vacuum distillation is the combustion products from the process heater. Fugitive hydrocarbons emission from leaking seal and fitting are also associated with vacuum distillation unit, but these are minimized by low operating pressure. Okay, the operation pressure is low in this vacuum distillation column, so the leakage through pipes and seals and everything, pipes and what they were elbows joints are very less, but it can be done through what top crude oil vacuum. So it is non-condensable hydrocarbons will be vented out from the top, and second one is from combustion product from the process heater. So process heater is another process from which the it can leak to the atmosphere, and low vapor pressure of the unit, and it won't be leaking through all the bulbs and pipes. Control technology applicable to non-condensable emissions vented from the vacuum ejector or pumps, including Building into blowdown system or gas fuel gas systems and inclination of furnaces or waste heat boilers. These control techniques are generally greater than 99% of efficient in the control hydrocarbons emission, but they also contribute to the emission of combustion products. Okay, so this is it for vacuum distillation emission source. So we'll do this much for today. Next class we'll learn about catalytic cracking emission source. Thank you for watching.